A day in my life on my single era. So for today's video guys, adi po kita ha lirang-lirang. Yes. Here at Barangay Tulibaw. So I'm gonna tour you around and papakita ko iyo ang beauty din. So diri na some of the kuanla. So there's a place in your heart. So may pera dito cottages sa Igbaw. As you can see there. And by the way, time check, it's 6:15. Puno po ang era pool. So may da po didera pool. Here. Diba? It's very mahusay po dito. And ato pa po ang pool. And since dako po ang tubig yan ha, mapay talaga igkarigo, but I will not be taking a bath. Okay. Because wala po ko daranga vado. So amo po ito hiya din hi. And charan! Their cottages ranges from 300 pesos to 1,000 pesos. And 1,000 po dako na talaga po hiya. And if you will be asking about the rooms, ang rooms po niya is tag 1.5 po. 1.5, and for additional 2 heads, it's 300 per head. So that is Barangay Tulibaw there. And pwede pa po niyang taigbaw, kaso it's very tricky to go up and it's very makapoy. So papakita ko na lang po ang hagdan ng tikad taigbaw, and I think it's 100 plus steps. This is the hagdanan going up, diba? And I am with my people. Say hi to my vlog.
Hello, Team Ryan.
This is Sir Iris and Sir Ronly. They are both virgins.
Hello, vlog.
Kemi!
Welcome to my people. Where are you going?
Nanmarag ka maning ko, auntie.
At nag-oro ko hello.
It's very dito guys. It's very maganda talaga, as in. And very very mura. Di po siya mahal. So we're gonna roam around We're gonna roam along the famous. What to do? So, an era pool po. Here. Damo lapuhin mga leaves, pero dili po yung mahugaw. So, see? Are you with me? Ang ganda dito, di ba? Hindi lang gaano na nakikita yung reflection ng dagat kasi the weather is not that good, pero laban na siya. So nabiling la po talaga ako para mahulog kemi. So later on I'll be touring you mga rooms po. Pero I think an amon rooms kay waray pa malukot ang ibang mga So naglibot-libot lang kita.